Hey there, it's Tristan,
and Cece,
your curators of couples experiences.
and we are at the beautiful Breathless Cabo Resort right here in Cabo. You guys, this is amazing.
Amazing.
I mean, just the view behind us. I don't know, give them a quick span, just real quick. What you are looking at is the Marina view, which is where we're situated. This is where our room faces. It is absolutely beautiful. Today what we want to do is give you a quick tour of the room. It's the Allure Marina View Suite, and it has double beds. So let's go check it out, see if you like it.
Let's walk them down the aisle.
Whoop.
All right, go ahead. Show them, girl.
You know how I do it. My catwalk, my runway walk.
There you go. There you go. Boom, chaka, boom, chaka, boom. There you go.
All right, we're here in 1508. This is our humble abode for the next couple of days. I like to call this the atrium. It sounds very fancy, doesn't it? Yes. This is the lovely atrium, and when you first come in, it's a really nice vibe, like just a real sultry, romantic kind of feel. We have your porcelain throne over here that we just showed
As we said, it was romantic.
I don't know no better way of making marriage great again than with double sinks. We are also, what I really like about this area is the restroom. You have one side, and then on the other side, you have your shower. So while Bay is doing his thing, you can be over here doing your thing.
Exactly.
I love the shower features in here. I like it when they have the waterfall shower head. It is
Very
so luxurious. That's the word, honey. So right over here we have a really nice vanity area. So you know how it go, baby over there doing his thing. You gotta still hold it down, get it together.
Yep.
So there's some nice
Y'all
vanity
need all the
area.
mirrors, don't y'all?
Yes, we do need all the mirrors. Absolutely we do. Then right here is your nice mini bar already stocked very nicely. Look at that. Cerveza, agua.
Yes.
Yes. So as soon as you get here, you have something nice to drink to cool you off a little bit. Your coffee maker. Don't wanna go anywhere with that.
Indeed.
Yes. Then right here is your mini closet with drawers, as well as a safe to keep all your valuables in. Yes, we do. Yes, indeed. That's there. All right, so that's the atrium, okay?
Okay, the atrium. What we got next?
Nice little experience there. Now, when you open this,
Oh, it's like the Bat Cave.
ta-ta,
Ooh, nice.
this is our room. Again, this is the Allure Marina View Suite. It's double beds. They have all different types of room options for you. So if you need a single bed, you're welcome to have that as well. But just you know what I think about it? I think of it as very modern, very clean. I love colors, this pop of color, the purple and the fuchsia. Just a really nice touch. I mean, they really did a really nice job of just really laying this out to where it feels very spacious and open and airy.
Yes.
You don't feel closed in.
Right.
I love it.
And what's the best part?
You already know the best
What?
part.
Show it.
Y'all see it. Y'all been peeking. Look. Here it is. Boom.
Booyah.
This is the first place we went to as soon as we got in here.
Exactly. Before the luggage even got here.
So T, what they looking at here?
They are looking at the marina here in Cabo San Lucas with yachts on yachts on yachts.
Yachts on yachts. Gorgeous.
Beautiful view. Every room at this resort for adults only, 4-star, is able to see the marina and the water.
Very, very nice hotel resort, y'all. Again, all inclusive, adults only. It don't get better than that. It's truly a vibe. I want you to come back though and come to our YouTube page, because what we're gonna do is show you the rest of the resort later on, so you can kind of feel the vibe and see what's going on here. But very nice room, would you say? Yes.
I would agree. I would agree. So, in closing, keep it open. On behalf of Sudden Adventures, we thank you all. We'll see you in the air somewhere. Go to suddenadventures.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow to our page. I know it's dark right now, but you get the gist of it. You just want the view. That's all we want to show you.
That's all we wanted.
What's the view? You don't need to see us. All right. See you at the next video.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Suddenadventures.com.